Hello everyone, welcome back to Pet Labs. In this video we are going to check out the top 5 best cat hammocks. Okay, so let's get started with the list. Starting at number 5, we have the Trixie Pet Products Miguel Fold and Store Cat Tower. If your home doesn't have a lot space so as to shop those cat accessories, be concerned now not. Trixie Pet Products Miguel Fold and Store Cat Tower is best if area is limited. Easy to fold close, this product makes it less complicated to use and shop. Your cat may have countless probabilities to play, discover, scratch and relax in this toy. Instead of scratching your furniture and carpet, your cat can scratch on the ease, plush fabric and sturdy sisal scratching surface with their sharp claws. Energetic cats can bounce, climb or rest in this plushy hammock, or they might even sit back and loosen up. Cats love to move slowly and turn all something and the whole thing. Your cat will truly love to get inside this remarkable soft rental for a comfy retreatment. You in no way must fear how antique your cat is due to the fact this hammock is appropriate for cats and kitties of each nature and age.
Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price.
Moving on, at number 4, we have the VPets Luxury Cat Hammock. Made from all natural wood, this cat accent is a fashionable addition to your home. Just as secure because it appears, this hammock is heavy duty too. The anchors are located carefully so that swaying is made easier in your cat and they have peace in mind while they're in mattress. It can simply preserve up to 20-30 pounds of weight, now not having you to fear if you have a fat cat. This hammock is very easy to assemble for its robust creation. You just must make sure that the lowest hook is banded via the lowest wood beam and bed and the stabilizing strings are knotted tightly to ensure that the hammock stays strong. At number 3, we have the OxGord Paws Pals Cat Treehouse. Your cat likes to climb. The OxGord Paws Pals Cat Treehouse features a strong climbing and sitting platform that also includes a toy on your puppy, energetic and entertained. Since your cat feels secure and on top of things in high locations, that is the fine multi-stage cat tree tower highlighting the perch for privateness. Most importantly, the herbal sisal posts and ropes will help your cat to scratch with their sharp claws and stay healthful. The cloth that covers the systems is product of polyester plush faux fur, durable, smooth to gather and extraordinary for cats of all sizes. Your cat will love this cat tree, wherein they can be playing or purring for hours. This toy is virtually safe and secured, bringing most joy for your cat. At number 2, we have the CatastrophiCreations Deluxe Cat Playplace. Your cat will not scratch your pricey fixtures anymore or hang around the kitchen while you're cooking, considering the fact that they now have their own territory. CatastrophiCreations Deluxe Cat Play Area is built from strong timber, which makes it a safe and secured play put up on your fluffy buddy. The structure is created in this sort of manner that it has a ladder and a hole and requires your cat to leap up to the hammock, provoking exercising on your cat. When the fluffy creature receives tired, they can without difficulty nap on one of the stiff cloth hammocks. This accent is a terrific addition when you have both pet dogs and cats and you're inclined to provide your cats their personal area. The accessory comes with all of the important screws and pins which you want to install it, hence, offering a loose and easy to install the facility for you. All in a single, this is a perfect play shape to deliver out the comedian for your cat. And finally, at number 1, we have the Pet Magasin Luxury. You aware that your cat's favorite pastime is snoozing? We are. This different Pet Magasin cat hammock will indulge your cat's drowsing time, giving the utmost consolation whilst drowsing. Manufactured from top high quality products, Pet Magasin is dedicated to supplying the first class to your cats. Here are greater motives why this hammock makes the satisfactory asset on your cat. The frame, crafted from strong maple and timber, has a clean end to show off its natural splendor. The hammock bed itself has a soft material, tied with robust chains and polished metallic. Even in case your cat is massive, the bed is huge, sufficient in your cat to sprawl on it. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about this cat hammocks, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.